Good morning, this is Stan Becker from Stan Becker Songs YouTube and volunteer reporter for Horizon Health Action Coalition YouTube. These are the clean team, the safety bid team, the Hotel Hostess new police. Looks like Crackhouse Jack Hoffmann and Hotel Felon LAMBERT going to have to wash their own porch. The homeless industrial complex, poverty pimps, the Venice Neighborhood Council, poverty pimps. There's the, hello, my crows need feeding. They brought me this stuff. They brought me this jewel and this ring. I'll show you later. It's a Bank of America machine gun firing on both sides. No detectives, no cops. Message control, Tracy Pork, memory hole. Drug house, Becky Dennison, memory hole. Great White. You've seen the videos of the human shit. The no outreach, Venice Neighborhood Council, Venice Family Clinic. Yo Venice has a real estate agent interviewing an architect, Thibodeau, on Venice Neighborhood Council. And that's the way it goes. And Poverty Pimp USA, nothing but danger. Now these chrysalis expunged felon dangerous safety team people, the new fake police they want you to get used to, that have fake police cars with rotating lights, these expunged felons, these fucking dummies. My window got broke. I get gaslighted and gang stalked by this Crackhouse Jack Hoffmann, Market Street, new house. New house. New house. The new renaissance. The dynamic change. There's Great White. Morning, sir. These chrysalis guys, these expunged felons, these reliably escalate violence, these dummies, this same human load of shit there for over a month. But they're gonna clean Crackhouse Jack Hoffmann's porch on Market Street. Hotel Hostess pimps get burned out. What a shame. This guy says, you hit me with a piece of rice because I feed my sparrows. You see the male sparrow feeding the baby sparrow, because the females brood after the fledgling, start a new nest. These expunged felons, these dangerous bitches. This scene of stink, violence, right around the corner from what? NEUE House, Crackhouse Jack Hoffmann, Market Street. We've documented all this. Made hundreds of thousands of dollars off of Carl Lambert's millions selling Horizon Apartments LLC. 30 seconds from here remains the most serially violent single address in Venice. They have that clean for Tony Bill as he takes the public sidewalks and public parking spots, just like Mark Sokol, groomer, puts his banner on our Westminster School. Let me tell you about what he did to the international gay community, telling them to go to our skate park because that's the gay meeting place. Meth Mike Bonin, it is. And the perverts that run this shithole. There's Great White people, Bulldog Realty, the most expensive real estate in the country. Get ready for this as the borders open and Hunter Biden opened border Venice. They've had this strategized for years. These same people, Crackhouse Jack Hoffmann, Hotel Felon Carl Lambert, dangerous bitches in chrysalis business investment district. How could it be more cynical? There's your investment, shop owners. I keep Park Row safe from the shitty, dangerous, stand down Pacific Division, LAPD. Where's the fire department, Tracy Pork? You've had 50 photo ops with them, with their union that supported you. Where's the fire? Where's the police? Where's the news? Right here, Stan Becker, Horizon Apartments, LLC remains the most serially violent single address in Venice. Helen Stolter, Thibodeau, this new idiot on the Venice Neighborhood Council, James Murez, Elise Gukowski, Mick Jagger's commercial agent, Venice Surf Association. These dilettante climbers can't make enough nonprofit 5013s to suck the soul out of this place. I'll tell you the story behind that hanging also. There's my doves. Got this. Here's my, he says, oh, you hit me with a piece of rice. This security professional. Duh, you hit me with a piece of rice. Call the rice cops. Right after they get the detective for the Bank of America shootings, the Surfside cocaine cartel, figure out which one of you bitches is the expunged felon that broke my window. You gaslighting, gang-stalking bitches. Carl Lambert's cops. Duh! Hey, you need me to call an ambulance because you got hit with a piece of rice? Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. 71-year-old non-criminal, homeless for 4 years. Judge as you may. Felicia Adams Kellens make $430,000 a year. Gary Stewart, public suicide. Rhino Records. I was director of publicity there in my early 30s, in the 1980s. Gary went on to Apple iTunes, Liberty Hill Foundation, those bitches, graveyard, Venice Neighborhood Council, Venice sign, come, diversity, L Venice, George Francisco poverty pimp. This is what it comes to in the middle of the night. This is the cleanest, most positive thing that's happened here in years. Where's that little bitch who was yelling at me that I might have done this? Where is he? Where's that little bitch? What's his name? What's your name? You got ID? You're a security professional. You're supposed to have ID. You got a blue shirt. They gave you a blue shirt. Where's your ID? You got ID? You got a name? You got ID? Who the fuck are you? Conservative media, you want people to have courage? What, are they shooting a movie? Perfect. Stan Becker Songs, YouTube. Have a new single coming soon. Smells great. Tracy Pork, human excrement, right down here, over a month. Tracy Pork, Fire Department, LAFD, how many deployed at Horizon Apartments LLC? You monkeys figured that out yet? You hire anybody with a pencil? You heroes? LAPD, where are you? Chief Mikey Moore. Where's your new reset cops? Tracy Pork just told us you graduated a bunch of new rainbow cops. Where are they? There's my crows. I gotta take care of the real business here. There's gonna be a baby crow soon. Hit you with a piece of rice.